चाहे 10 भी बच्चे हो, मुझे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, इधर जाता है बाकी उधर ही कम। ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच। Thank you very much. So all of you are so congratulations to all of you. So now I know I'm with the serious people. Okay, this is what I do everywhere I go. So we were talking about abundance, and one definition which came was the best one. Is that having more than what you need? Is that what it is said? So it is in what respect? That's my next question. Is it related to money only? Or is it related to something else? So yes, it is meant for everything. So mission, abundance means creating an environment where you can have abundance of love, abundance of wealth, abundance of health, abundance of students. Right? Abundance of customers, abundance of choices, abundance of decisions that you want to make, abundance of infrastructure, abundance of knowledge, abundance of wisdom. Right? So that is a project that I have started, and the mission of this Mission Abundance project is to create 1 million people, to empower 1 million people on this earth who will be happy, healthy and wealthy, doing what they love, what they are most passionate about, and that's where their expertise lies. Understood? Anybody have any question in this mission statement? हिंदी में बोलो। तो मिशन अबंडेंस का मिशन क्या है? 1 मिलियन लोगों को हमने भर्ती करना है, उनको खुशियां बांटनी है, उनको हेल्प देनी है और उनको अमीर बनाना है। कैसे? उनकी निश आइडेंटिफिकेशन। निश का मतलब समझते हैं? एनीबॉडी अंडरस्टैंड निश? सॉरी? Yeah. So one sharp skill or expertise in which you will be known. Like Xerox is known to be a photocopy machine, right? जब भी Xerox बोलते हैं तो फोटोकॉपी आता है कि नहीं आता? तो ऐसा क्या बोले जिससे आपका नाम ना? So that is my first activity with people who work with me, to create a separate niche for which you will be known for throughout your career, throughout your life, even after you leave this planet. Mahatma Gandhi is known for freedom movement, right? So what you will be known for is something that I will create for you to work with you. Alright? Do you like this project? ताली होनी चाहिए? And all of you are going to be my brand ambassadors. 1 million लोग तो यहाँ पे बैठे नहीं, right? So what if you choose to work with me? I will first give you all the things that I said. I'll make you happy, I'll make you healthy, and I'll make you wealthy. And once you are successful, all you have to do is do what I am doing. As simple as that, right? So this is what I have thought, that I'll be known. Okay, so let's proceed with the presentation. Yeah, next page down. So, if anybody wants to note down, Facebook group called CKFB VIP. Okay. So if you want to be in touch with me, this is a place to join. Just join that. There is no cost to it. So do you have mobile phones with you right now? So you can do that right now while having me sit. Very important person. So because you have interacted with me, automatically you become VIP in my eyes. Like this. ताली होनी चाहिए इस बात में। जिस लोगों ने मेरे से इंटरेक्ट किया वो सारे VIP हैं। दो लोग मेरे से टच में हैं। And I am VIP for that and it's vice versa. You are VIP for me. क्योंकि कभी हम मिलते हैं एक डिवाइन कनेक्शन हो जाता है, right? There is a reason for which we meet. We just don't meet by accident. The people who left the room, I'm thankful to them because they are not my VIPs. Okay? So there is a reason for everything, but whatever I'm saying in this class. So everybody joined the group? Yeah? How many joined the group? Please raise your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. Only 9 VIPs are there. Rest don't want to be my VIPs. Just note down this link. You can join it if you don't have the mobile connection. Sometimes it doesn't work. I know. I can understand. Okay, go to the next one. So I have already given you my mission. So if you just click this link, I have created a structure to it. ये नहीं हवा में बातें नहीं हैं. So I have created a structure how I will make them happy, healthy and wealthy. So just click that CK1 here. You can also click it on your mobile. Just click allow. Let's see where it takes you. So I have a 1 year program, no internet connection. So I have given you choices. 1 month, 3 months, 6 months or 1 year. So 1 year program is 50,000 rupees. Okay? And I am 100% sure nobody in this room has 50,000. You are all stupid. I can understand. So I am not expecting anything from you. But this is for public. Right? People who can afford me, they have to
But the moment you say 50,000 rupees, that make other person
unhappy. So, but nobody would like to pay because if you're not earning, आपके parents को आप pressure कर देना.
Means that those who are earning also, if you tell them you have to pay 50,000.
But they don't know what it is. If I tell you what it is, then it's a different thing. So this is what it is. So just click an option, select an option. So you have so many options. Go to the 12 months. Yeah. So this is 50,000 rupees. Excel in your professional and entrepreneurial journey. Just bring it down. So this is the description here. So you can read it whenever you have time. So I've just given you a link. So go back to the presentation. So this is the reason. That makes sense and you do it, then only you will get it. Okay, go back, go to the next class and next class. So this is the agenda. So I covered brief introduction about myself, and now we will discuss about the introduction to entrepreneurial economics. Then we'll go to the views of famous researchers on what they see as economic functions of an entrepreneur. Then we'll discuss something called money. Have you heard about this term before? Money blueprint? Anybody? No. Okay, so good. I will be exposing you to that concept and mindset of rich people. What is mission abundance? Offer to get mission abundance book. So I am offering a book and it's going to be soon published. So because it is still under thinking, so if you buy it today, you will get at 50% discount. and then coaching 150K for free. जो मैंने आपको बताया. Followed by Q&A. Next. So, would you like to read this? One sentence, first sentence only.
Entrepreneurial economics, the capacity and willingness to develop, organize and manage a business venture along with any of its risks in order to make a profit.
Thank you very much. So, this is the definition of entrepreneurship. The first sentence. Okay. So, you must be willing to take a risk. How many of you would like to do job after doing your eco? Raise your hand. Only 1%, 3%. Rest of you are going to become entrepreneurs. So those who are want to become entrepreneurs, raise your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So it's fairly balanced. अब देखिए, आपने कोई एक किताब है जिसको कहते हैं रिच डैड पुअर डैड. किसी ने पढ़ी हो? Has anybody read? Robert Kiyosaki. You must read that. And let me give you. Do you have a marker pen for this whiteboard?
Chalk is available.
Can you get that?
So getting infrastructure here is quite difficult. So we can use chalk.
ठीक है.
Chalk is available.
इसको हटाना पड़ेगा. चौक को यूज करना है.
So, back to it.
Have you seen this chart before? You have? Okay. आप इधर आइए. You should be here. You should be given the flowers. What's your name? Nishita. Photo. बताओ.
याद नहीं होगा.
नहीं कोई बात नहीं.
I just know someone that is E stands for entrepreneur,
Very good.
I for investors, S for service, and B for businessman. S is
E.
self-employed, and B for exactly.
E said what about that? It's okay. Don't remember that. But that is not the right answer. कोई बात नहीं.
Like it was a rich dad book that I read it. I remember. But yeah, investors and self-employed and
D is for? You already said it actually. आपने बोल दिया था. Nervous हो गया. Business. Man comes to women. People in
people. And
सिर्फ E रह गया. हाँ क्या दिया आपने? क्या बोला? Employee तालियां. तो मैंने बाजू में आपको धोखे नहीं किया. आपने मान रख लिया उसका. Very good, Mr. Thank you very much. Have a seat. So, very good. I like the intelligent people in the room. So, these two are the strategies of poor dad. And these two are the strategies of rich dad. 99% of the people in this world are employees. Do you know? month waiting for the first of every month to happen. कि सैलरी आएगी तब दिन ठीक होगी, है कि नहीं है? मानते हो इस बात को? अगर आपको मिशन अबंडेंस प्रोजेक्ट का पार्ट बनना है तो आपको एंटरप्रेन्योर बनना जरूरी है। और आपको जरूरी नहीं है कि सारे काम छोड़ के आप करें, जो भी आप कर रहे हैं उसके साथ ही कर सकते हैं। पार्ट टाइम बिजनेस, अगर आप पढ़ा रहे हैं नहीं तो आपको 2 घंटे तो होंगे उससे, फिर भी कहीं ना कहीं से निकाल सकते हैं ना, मैनेज कर सकते हैं ना, टीवी को बंद कर दीजिए। कुछ ना मैं आपको बताऊंगा हाउ टू गेट द 2 hours every day and continue your entrepreneurship journey so that you can create abundance for yourself. Now, abundance doesn't come alone. It comes with freedom, lots of freedom. Freedom of time. Freedom of travel. फंस जाते हैं ना? जाते हुए अंदर से वो बॉस क्या कहेगा, अरे लेट हो गया। Freedom from that. Freedom from all the झगड़ा, बीवी का झगड़ा, हस्बैंड का झगड़ा, माँ बाप का झगड़ा, कोई झगड़ा नहीं। पैसा होता है तो फिर कोई झगड़ा नहीं करता, पता है ना आपको, मालूम है ना कि कोई ये बंदा सही कर रहा है, ये बंदा राइट नेगोशिएशन राइट ट्रैक, so like you not fight with the person, you get respect automatically because you are doing it legally, you are doing it ethically, you are doing it morally, you are what you are doing. आप करते क्या हो entrepreneurship? Anybody? What do you do in entrepreneurship? The most obvious example of entrepreneurship is the starting of new business. In economics, entrepreneurship combined with land, labor, natural resources and capital can produce profit. So you want to create profits. Profits for whom? Profits for all the stakeholders, not just for yourself. You create profits for your customers, right? Do you understand this? जियो आया था, उसने प्रॉफिट सबके जेब में डाले हैं ना? डाले तो आप अंबानी जी के लिए ताली बजाएंगे? Right? Profits for the customer means profits for the suppliers. Profits for the suppliers means profits for the vendors. Profits for the vendors means profits for the shareholders. And then finally comes the last person is the entrepreneur. जब सबके प्रॉफिट बांट दिए जाते हैं तो जो बचता है left over profit is the profit of the entrepreneur. That person comes last in the chain. So you have to think for the society. अभी देखिए, now Jio is making profits. अगले 2 साल उन्होंने पैसे नहीं कमाए. He was funding it from his own other ventures. This is called entrepreneurship. And this is what I would like you to do all for your life. Next please. So, entrepreneurship, I need another volunteer to speak. Yeah, please. Stand and speak. So, मैं अपने गले में थोड़ा आराम देता हूँ. तो आपको भी बहुत पढ़ने में मजा आएगा और आपको याद भी रहेगा. Sorry, आप मेरे स्टूडेंट मान लो. So lovely, cute student. इस टाइप का फ्रेंड ही हो जाएगा. देखो आप भी गलती करते हैं, इनको स्टूडेंट मानते हैं. आपने कब ज्वाइन किया था? हाँ, कभी. You are not happy. क्या क्वेश्चन है? शादी की करिए.
Entrepreneurial economy is characterized by innovation and risk-taking and nation's ability to succeed in an ever-changing, increasingly competitive global marketplace.
Thank you very much. तालियां शादी के लिए. So first thing is you have to take risk, personal risk, your family's risk, the risk of your future. Right? सबसे बड़ा रिस्क तो आपने अपने दाव लगाया है. ये जरूरी है. उसके बिना कुछ नहीं. No pain, no gain. Right? तो ये रिस्क टेकिंग नंबर होता है. अगर आप सिर्फ बोथ पे ट्रैवल करना चाहते हैं तो जॉब इज द बेस्ट फॉर यू. E, poor dad. Be an employee like 99 सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड मतलब ये है कि आपका वन मैन वन पर्सन बिजनेस है, वन वुमन व्हाटएवर, वन पर्सन, यू आर हैविंग लॉट ऑफ बेनिफिट्स ऑफ बीइंग इन एस। पहले जो एम्प्लॉय होता है उसके पास टाइम फ्रीडम नहीं है। You are बंधुआ मजदूर from 9 to 5, right? You don't have a choice. जब आप 9 बजे नहीं पहुंचते तो आपका ड्यूटी बढ़नी चालू होती है, चाहे आपका कसूर हुए हो, चाहे ड्यूटी ने आपका मूड लगा दिया हो, या ड्राइविंग ने आपको टाइम पे ना पहुंचने दिया हो, या आपकी सीखने से कुछ भी हो, आपने तो सफर करना ही है। This is the problem of being an employee. And in S you don't have that problem. You are free. But there is a problem in S also. And the S is कि वहां पर तो पहली तरीक को आपको मिल जाता है, यहाँ पे ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। You are dependent on so many factors. Okay? पता नहीं आपको नेक्स्ट पैसे कहाँ से मिलने वाले हैं। मेरा 10,000 रुपए का 1 घंटे का कोचिंग आवर्स होते हैं, तो 1.5 घंटा अगर मैं यहाँ बोल रहा हूँ मुझे 15,000 मिले थे, लेकिन मेरे को फोन करके बुला गया 3,000 से ज़्यादा नहीं दे सकते। You have a choice? You have a choice? आपने प्रिंसिपल साहब से बात करने के लिए क्या हुआ है? हाँ, we are dependent on this. So ये प्रॉब्लम है NS, right? I am not having any fixed monthly income on first of every month, but I have plenty of freedom. मैंने बोला sorry we are late. मैंने बोला no, I am free. कोई बीजी के हाँ उसपे कोई मीटिंग नेक्स्ट होती तो प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है, लेकिन आज नहीं है। So freedom is there, but आपका कोई गारंटी नहीं है कि आपको पहले को आपको जो लाइफ है आपको मेंटेन करना है वो आपको मिले। The next one is B. That's very attractive. That's very, very attractive. Because now you are going to create systems. You are going to create employees who will be working in your absence. And I am going to tell you a system where you can make money, and I am doing that already, as B, where you don't have an office, you don't have a team, still you are getting money every month. And that is what I am going to empower you as part of Mission Abundance project. And then lastly comes I, where the money is working for you. In E, you are working for money, but in I, the money works for you. How great is that? ताकि हम इस बात पे what are the ways you can get passive income every month? Can you tell me some people who are exposed to these concepts? बताओ आपने क्या नाम था? निष्ठा बताओ। पैसिव इनकम कमाने के क्या क्या तरीके हैं?
It can be like we can invest in a company and we get returns. So
Sorry?
we get returns on the money
Returns?
that we invest.
Okay, कहाँ पर इन्वेस्ट करेंगे आप?
Stock.
Stock market, target. Stock market is great. What else? इधर प्रिंसिपल ही चला जाएगा, रिस्की है वो, ज़्यादा रिस्क है।
I think for a stable place, real estate.
रियल एस्टेट, तालियां। और बैंक में डालना है अभी, ठीक है, लेकिन बहुत कम आता है, इन्फ्लेशन से भी कम आपको इंटरेस्ट आता होगा। तो आपके इको के स्टूडेंट्स आपको पता है, तो बैंक इज नॉट द बेस्ट आइडिया। What else? हाँ? बैंक में you have nothing else to add. मैंने आपको कुछ सजा थोड़ी दी, खड़े हो गए। नहीं, you want to speak, you can speak. Any other ideas on how to earn passive income? Rent and royalty. तालियां सर के लिए। हैव रेड इज दैट रॉयल्टी ऐसी मिलेगी कि आपको ताबड़तोड़ रॉयल्टी मिलेगी, ठीक है। तो रॉयल्टी इज द बेस्ट बिकॉज आपने किताब एक बार लिखी है और लाइफ उसके दैट इज द बेस्ट। एंड अनदर थिंग व्हिच इज कमिंग अप इज creating a video book. Again, writing a book. YouTube channel is one of the. I'm going to give you your own personal YouTube. ठीक है? तो वो भी है. Anything else? What are the ways you can create passive income? आप भी बोलो ना मेहनत की. आप सिर्फ पानी लेने के लिए आए थे. Contribute करो ना हमारी discussion. हाँ. Discussion में भी करो ना. अच्छा है. Thank you. What else? Dairy farm. Very good. Very good. देखो काम तो पैसा नहीं करना है कि नहीं? और इनकम है यार बहुत अच्छा. Employee है ना हमारे. और no more ideas? आप भी बोलो कुछ.
You can create a network of people.
Wow! Wow! Tanya! Smart idea. Create, जैसे BNI किसी ने सुना है? BNI, Business Network International. So what they do is they create local chapters of entrepreneurs everywhere in the world, and they get royalty. वो original जो है बंदा वो USA में बैठा है, उसको पूरी दुनिया में चलता है. And another idea would be there could be innovative ideas. Do you anybody from the Gaon villages? There's a 1%, 2%, 3%. तो आपके पास गांव होते हैं, यहाँ तो कम होता है लेकिन खाली जगह बड़ी होती है, राइट? और अब अर्बनाइजेशन हो रहा है हर जगह, तो आप वहाँ पर जो बिल्कुल या आपकी लैंड ना भी हो, जिसकी भी लैंड हो, उससे बात करो कि आपकी लैंड का हम कुछ यूज कर रहे हैं तो आपको भी फायदा है, आपको तो बेकार में पड़ी हुई है, कुछ उससे हम अगर प्रोडक्टिविटी निकाल सकते हैं ना, तो क्या प्रोडक्टिविटी निकाल सकते हैं? 3 बंदे ने बोला आप बताओ आप तीनों कि क्या प्रोडक्टिविटी खाली में नहीं निकाल सकते